everyone, and today we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at these new headphones, the Beats in the Air, Flow in the Ear, Emeet Airflow headphones. You have a choice in headphones. You have something like this, like big over-ear, like proper headphones, or you have something like an in-ear. Doesn't matter whether they're wired or wireless. You can have that both on in-ear and on proper headphones. But for me, I prefer these over the ear ones to an in-ear headphone. To me, an in-ear headphone gets very uncomfortable very quickly. But something like this is a little bit different. Now, this is more similar to those that are bone conductive headphones, which I do have a pair of those, and they are my personal choice of headphone to use in my everyday general life. Now, when I'm obviously creating content, I wear these over-ear headphones because these are just comfier and simpler to use in the office. But in my own life, you know, when I'm out and about doing something, when I want to listen to a podcast while I'm doing a little bit of chores or something, I choose an in-ear that's not in-ear, if that makes sense. And that's what we've got here today. So thank you to Emeet for sending these over, the Emeet Airflows. We're going to take a look at them today. So these are open ear design, Bluetooth, 40-hour battery life, waterproof, anti-sound leakage. We're going to have a little unbox of this. We're going to have a look at it, and I'm going to have a go with it and see what it sounds like, because ideally this is the kind of headphone that I want to use in everyday life. Without further ado, shall we unbox? I'm going to use a key because I don't have anything else to unbox with, so I'm just going to rip it open with a key. Rubbish. Don't have to deal with that anymore. Well, there we go. Here we have the little pod. Move that out of the way. Have a user manual. There you go. We got a little protective leather bag. We have USB. So that's for charging. Is it USB-C to USB-A? Looks to be that, as I have explained. Yeah, little cable. Oh, cleaning cloth. Oh, some... Is that like protective ends to go on the ends, I assume? Some rubbery tips. Bluetooth dongle. That's useful if we want to plug into the PC, which I'll probably try that today just because I'm at the PC, so it's easier. A little cleaning cloth. Manuals are always useful, but I'm going to try and not use the manual because I'm a clever boy, but I probably will end up referring back to the manual, as is fairly common when I try and just do things. Let's open and look at the actual headphones. Ooh, hello. These look very nice. So this, I believe this bit here, I believe this is like a type of boom mic. So it has a mic, a detachable mic, which I will test to see how good it is, but I don't know. And then in here we have simply the headphones themselves. And these just sit sort of round your ear. Do have a left and a right on them, so you can tell which one goes on which ear. Oh, look at that. Peel, little peel off. Peel, little peel off. Look at me. I'm a little peely boy. Do you love a little peel? Come on, you gotta love a little peel. And then this is a charging case, which has a light on it. So I assume from the tiny bit of the manual that I saw, we actually want to put them in here to connect them, right? I think. But they go in like this. They got little magnets in, and they go in like that, and then they're charging. Little blue light. These rubber tips, I assume, go on here. And then this, there's your earbud with a bendy thing on it. Microphone. Right, for now, I'm going to set this up, plug it into the computer, so I can use these as earphones, and we'll see how that goes. I'm putting these on. Okay. See, there we go. They're on my ear. These are actually very easy. I plugged the USB into the PC and made sure they were in the case, and they just seem to work. Having a look at the music modes, I'm going to just read this off the manual really quickly. A single tap on either one will play/pause. A double tap will next track. A triple tap will previous track, and a hold on left, this one, will decrease volume, and a hold on the right will increase volume. And if you're using it for a call, a double tap will answer/end the call, and the decreased volume is exactly the same. Now that these are plugged in, they've automatically been put as my default device. Let's first listen to make sure they work. Let's find a little bit of royalty-free music we can play, and hopefully it will record in OBS, because God knows I haven't set that up in a while. Strangely, that's actually very good. That's actually really good. I'm trying to get like close to the mic so you guys can kind of hear it. The other thing is that when I don't have headphones on, I feel like my hair is just more to deal with. When I've got headphones on, we can all understand them being a mess. But when I don't, when I'm just wearing these, it's a different thing. It's strange how well I can hear. This is why I like these style of headphones. because I can hear, I feel like I'm not really wearing headphones. I can hear the world, I can hear everything else, but I can hear the music and it's not too much of a pain for everyone else. I'm very impressed. Right, I'll stop the music now. Right, so when I wear my actual normal headphones, I'm listening to my mic. Now, clearly I'm not listening to my mic because I can actually just hear myself. This is just me talking. Now, when you have big over-ear headphones on, you actually can't hear yourself very well, and it's very strange. So I like to be able to directly monitor myself. But I sort of don't feel the need to with something like this, which is quite interesting. Let's try, I'm just going to open a YouTube video. Do I have to listen to me? I guess I have to listen to me. Hello, everyone. I have an announcement today. I am releasing a t-shirt. I think this was the song I just chose to play. I've never done a t-shirt release or merch or anything like this. These sound really nice. Now, I'm no audio expert. Don't get me wrong. Like, I'm no, like, professional audiophile or anything like that. I'm just going with, does it genuinely sound good to me? Now, the next thing to check, let's have a go with the microphone. They've included this little tiny boom mic thing, which you can't even see. This little tiny boom mic. They've included it, so we should have a check and see how it sounds. We're going to try without this because I've noticed that it actually is an option to try without it. So we'll try without it first, and then we'll plug it in and see how much of a difference this makes. Hello. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. That's right. I kind of said it wrong. Now, where's it picking audio? I don't know where it's picking audio up from. I tried to tap to see if I could find where it was, but I can't find it. Should we have a quick live listen back? I'd like to. I don't know where it's picking audio up from. I tried to tap to see if it... Not terrible. It's probably not a dedicated microphone you'd use for like any sort of content or something, but using it for phone calls, if you're using these with your phone, I think that sounds perfectly good enough. I think that's pretty decent. Should we see what it sounds like when I plug this in? Oh, I tried to find the little hole to plug in that was almost in my ear hole. I should probably take these off to do this, but I can't be bothered. Think that's in. Now I look like some sort of dance choreographer. Testing. 1 2 1 2. Hello, test. This is with the boom mic. Testing. Hello. Testing. Oh, I muted it. It said mute in my ears. So this is unmuted. This is definitely using the little boom mic. It has a little button on the end of it where you can mute and unmute, and it tells you in your ears whether you're muting or unmuting. Personally, I don't see the massive audio difference in using this as opposed to using the built-in. Sounds kind of the same. Again, good for phone calls and stuff, but probably not ideal for any sort of content, really. It probably does a decent job of like noise reduction. There's probably some sort of noise reduction technology in this, so maybe it would do better at picking up like less wind noise if you're outside. All in all, I'm actually very impressed. I kind of want to try using it for content, but I don't know how that would go. I really don't know. Because like I said, I can't hear myself directly feedback in my mic because it's not plugged into that system. And it can't be plugged in because it's a USB dongle. But I don't really need to hear myself because I can hear myself because these aren't in my ears. Now, these are just sort of sat on top of my ears. They sort of wrap around. Obviously, I'm only wearing them for a short-ish period of time. I'm not wearing them for a long period of time. I've been wearing them for like 30 minutes recording this video, and they don't feel uncomfortable. I imagine if I was wearing actual in-ear headphones, it probably would be quite uncomfortable for me right now. But these, very comfortable. Barely know they're there. They're very light. They sound decent if you're listening to podcasts or music and you just want to use this. I don't know if you're driving and want to use this as a Bluetooth set. Perfectly good enough. That's my review of the Emeet Airflow. If you guys want to check it out, go check it out. Link will be in the description. Thank you, Emeet, for sending this over. I don't normally check out like stuff like this, but being as it was something I'm actually kind of interested in, and specifically for me, like a pair of not in your ear headphones that don't cause a lot of noise and don't have a lot of like bleed back and stuff out to everyone else. Obviously, I don't have anyone else to be here to say, I can hear your music. I'm the only one that can hear it, and it's not too annoying for everyone else. That's the theory anyway. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to check them out, like I said, link will be in the description, but thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Emeet, for sending these over. Thank you guys, and I will catch you next time. Bye!